Alright guys, Dan at TrueNorthMotos. We're going to kind of go over our different signal options and what might work best for you in your application. So laid out in front of me are all the different signals that we have available on our website. I'm going to grab this guy as well, which is a TrueNorthMotos tail tidy, which has the signals integrated into the rear light, you know, brake light, tail light, license plate light, all in one. Now this is my go-to on my bikes, because in Washington I can get away with this. In some states you might not be able to, because you have to have a certain distance between your turn signals. So you need to verify with your local DMV what the requirements are for your state to pass your bike for inspection. Now they need to be the furthest width apart. The OEM turn signals for KTM and Husqvarna we offer on our website, those are going to stick out the furthest. Issue with that is easiest to break off, right? So next step is going to be your mini stock signals. They're going to stick out as well. Same thing, easier to break off. Now on the front, most of the time these are fine. You're not hitting so close to your radiator, you're not hitting so close to your headlight mask that you're ripping these off all the time on the front. But on the rear, when your bike goes down in the trails and you're riding hard stuff, these tend to be the first thing that is going to get ripped off the back of the bike. So if you can get away with doing a slimmer mount like a tail tidy, or we have our flush mount signals that sit on the rear of a bike right in this area right here. We'll post some pictures up at the end of the video. This is a super bright LED signal. The signal will push into this flush mount and sit right against the bike and right on the back, and it'll be wider than your tail light. More visible than the tail tidy and easier to tell which way you're turning when you are on the road. We have our fork wrap signals. We're going to go around the front of the forks. These have a daytime running light, a sequential blink on the signal. One thing I want to note about these, mount them underneath your bottom triple, or else you're going to have to remove them, and they use a 3M and a zip tie. So if you mount them above the lower triple clamp, you're not going to be able to slide your forks out without removing them. These are our plate mount signals. So these are going to go in the upper corner right in here of your plate, and they're going to be the bolt that holds the top part of your plate on, and then they have this nice wiring protector and holder on the back from Moto Minded that will guide the wires to go into your sub fender and underneath and into here to keep the wiring minimal that hangs out on your bike to be able to be pulled on. Now on the front, these are the hand shield signals. You can notice the longer leads. It's going to use the same wiring protector and everything as your plate mount signals. And the nice things about these, you can mount them anywhere that you want to, that you can drill 7/16 hole. So whether you run wraparound hand guards, you run flags, you run SXS burley guards, you want to mount them in your headlight mask, whatever, anywhere you can drill a 7/16 hole, you can mount these. An example is on this bike we just got done building. You can see lock nut in the back, your wire guide comes down with the rest of your wiring, keeps it protected, and how small it looks on the front of your bike. Now I recommend mounting these on the inner part of your shields. These are on some Cycra Pro bends. I run SXS guards, but same thing, mount them as far in as you can so you're not hitting your branches and trees out here, breaking your signal. All of our signals we make in-house, all of these guys are lifetime warranty. You break one of these, send me an email or give me a call on the website, and we will send you a pair free of charge to the original purchaser. So again, just a quick video going over the different signal options. I hope this helps clarify what you want to order and what you need in your kit. Thanks for checking it out.